Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Damien from Adapt and DIY, and today I will show you how I made a sanitizer bollard. If you're new here, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's begin. Before we start, let me show you the different material I will use for this project. I will mostly use treated pine wood and PVC pipe for the bollard. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mark the wood before cutting. Then I've cut everything with my circular saw. I'm now marking the center of the base. A pilot hole is drilled to fix the center. Then I'll fix the center on my table saw and started to remove piece by piece until I get a round shape. Then the same process is applied for the smaller round part, marking center, pilot hole, and then cut. I'm now making the pivot base for the pedal. The center is marked and drilled for the pilot board. Then I've cut the pivot support to size with my jigsaw. I can now glue all the parts of the pivot support together. Then I've marked and cut the pedal with my circular saw. Pedal to size, the pilot hole can be drilled. I wanted to have an angle cut at the bottom of the pedal, so I'm marking the angle to be cut. Then I've cut it. If you want to do this, be very careful. I can now glue and screw the base and the pivot support together. Now that the bottom part is completed, I can start making the piston. Firstly, I'm cutting the first edge to have a perfect cut. Then I've cut it to the required length. I've added a base to the piston. The base is marked and then cut. Then I've marked the pipe to make the base one piece with the pipe. The pipe is then cut with a hacksaw. I fix the base with the piston with some epoxy glue and screws. Now move to the upper part of the piston. With the help of a hole saw, I'm cutting the end cap of the piston. I'm now drilling a hole to glue a nut. This will help to adjust the height for different bottle size. The end cap is then glued to the piston with some epoxy glue. Here I'm preparing the top plate where the bottle will rest. This will also include a bolt to adjust the height. I can now move to the bollard. First I need to make a straight edge. Then I can measure the length required. I'm taping along the marking to make sure to have a perfect cut. Then I've got the required length on the table saw. I need to mark a slot for the pedal. Before cutting the slot, I'm drilling holes on the corner to facilitate the use of a jigsaw. Now I need to find the center of the pedal and mark it along the pipe for the hand slot. With the help of a blank papers, I'm making a template to mark the hole to be cut for the hand slot. I can now cut the hand slot by drilling holes on each corners and with my jigsaw. Now I'm marking a slot for the bollard head. The same principle is used to cut the slot. I can now prepare the bollard head. I'm cutting the straight cut with my hacksaw. Then all arcs are cut with my jigsaw. I now need to screw the threaded nut to fix the bollard to the base. Then I'm marking the hole in the bollard for the screw. I can now try to assemble the base to the bollard. Yeah, I can now move to the finishing part. Let's sand everything. For the pipe, I'm using wet and dry paper. I'm using a black spray paint for the pedal support, piston and bollard. piston part, I'm using a water-based varnish. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the bell notification to get notified when I post a new video.